about your experience voting. We have your permission to put this on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
You first time voter?
Yeah.
You just voted?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Do you want to tell America who you voted for?
I voted for Obama, and I voted yes on both proposals for medical marijuana and stem cell research.
Yeah, oh, cool. Good. So were you like super excited to vote?
Yes, I was very excited to vote.
Who did you come here to vote with?
My parents.
Oh, cool. Do you want to be on YouTube too, Dad?
Sure, why not? We can be on YouTube.
Hey, can we ask you who you voted for?
Vote for Obama.
All right, all right.
He's totally a Republican.
He's totally Republican.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome, you guys. Anything else you guys want to tell America about your voting experience?
Oh, went pretty
It
quick.
was a pretty long line, but it went really
really
quickly.
fast. They're doing a good job on the organization and keeping things moving.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll see you on the web.
Alrighty.
Bye.